I'll tell you when to give me space.
Here we go! Nah, you so nah, stick to the view. Oh my. 48! 48! 48 million! Let's go, Kenya! Bro, that's so fucking much, bro! We just hit 48 million in the helicopter in Kenya, bro! We did it, bro! We fucking did it! I fucking love y'all, bro! I love y'all so much, bro! W Kenya in the chat! We gained 260,000 subs this stream! 260,000 subs, bro! That shit is crazy, bro! I have never gained as much subs in the African country ever, bro! Kenya has took the #1 spot! 48 damn million, bro! We did it! Let's go, bro! Spit up the W's in the damn chat, bro! Spit up the W's! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, bro! I can't believe we did it, bro! I can't believe we did it, bro!
Helicopter hotel on the Bravo. Request wind check.
We did it, man!
Hotel Norma Bravo, surface winds easily northeast at northeasterly at 14 knots.
Copy northeasterly 14.
Can't believe it, man!
Delta Sierra Mike.
I can't believe it, bro!
Delta Sierra Mike.
Kenya really made it happen, bro!
Delta Sierra Mike.
Made it happen, man!
You have me, Visual?
Yeah, coming to 9 o'clock. Hi. Waiting for
Really
you.
made it happen, man! Really made it happen, bro!
How are you?
Oh, but you Kenya, bro! I'm about to jump off this damn helicopter, dog! Oh my god, dude! Love y'all, bro. I love y'all, bro, so much, bro. I love y'all so much.
Transmit now on your own.
Okay, copy that. Thank you.
Freaking did it, man. 48 million, man. 48 million, bro. Can't believe it, man. Did it, bro.
It's 5 Yankee Delta, Sierra Mike.